Hello there guys, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you a little update about my LG service remote that I ordered from AliExpress. As you can see from your screen, it cost around $4.50 together with shipping up to Kenya. So when I've been checking my tracking from the AliExpress application, it has been saying shipment accepted by airline for like forever. Little did I know that the remote actually arrived in my mail. I don't know for how long it has been sitting in my post office box, but this is the remote. I have a lot to show you about this remote. It has some very cool features. So I'll be compiling more videos about this remote. It uses the big AA batteries, two of them, and it has some very stiff keys, but I've tested it and it actually works. So what I'm just left to do is just to confirm my shipment as delivered. 1 minute as it loads. So when I go back here, I'm just going to confirm that it has been delivered. Just back to my account. So this is the remote. In future videos, I'm going to tell you a lot. I'm going to tell you what is this P only, what does it do, what is PS check, the picture and sound setting check, what does instop do, what does adjust do, what does insert do. I've a lot of keys. The best thing I like about this remote is that it has these keys at the bottom over here that take you directly to an input. Like I can press HDMI 3 and it will go directly to HDMI 3 without going through the input button, which is over here. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos about the LG service remote.